Okay, I'm going to show you guys my cat Avery. She's about 7 months old, and she likes to play fetch. This is her favorite ball. See, you're watching it. You want it? You want it, baby? Go get it. There she goes. She'll pick it up, bring it right back to me. Can you drop it, Avery? Drop it. She wants to drop it on this piece of paper. Can I have it? Oh, thank you. You want it again? Go get it. Drop it. I don't know why she keeps going to that piece of paper. Thank you. You want it again, baby? Go get it. Drop it. Good girl. That's Avery with her ball.